Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a survey link in SurveyMonkey. So first of all, if you create a new survey by clicking on create survey, you see exactly the same screen that I will see right here because you will see this screen. Then what you can do right here is most of the time here standing publish survey, and then you can go to publish survey and then you create a link. But I already have a link, so we go right here to publish survey, and then right now you will find right here the link. If you want to create another link, then we can click on add new collector and then we do share link. And then what he's going to do right here is he creates a new link for us. So now we can copy that link. And if you go back to all collectors, you see right now that we are having a new link standing right there. It's a little bit different when you already are having a survey or when you're completely new, because like I told you, if you go back to design survey, you can click right here, right in the top on publish survey when you just created a new one. So that's a little bit different, but it's almost working the same when you're creating a survey, but then you need to click right here on the right. So this is what you need to know with creating a survey link in SurveyMonkey. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.